Hi, I'm Elisa Singer. I've created the series of digital art known as environmental graffiti. And in this series, I marry art to science by taking charts, graphs, maps relating to key facts about climate science and converting them to abstract art. The process involves deconstructing the charts and graphs to their essential design elements, such as lines, trajectories, bars, and then using the blueprint that's created to create a work of abstract art that isn't actually abstract. And that part of it makes it more interesting to the viewers.
I'm Pete Mara, Director of the Earth Commons, Georgetown's new Institute for Environment and Sustainability, and also the Laudato Si Professor of Biology and the Environment. We brought the Environmental Graffiti series to campus because we believe that art is a powerful gateway to the sciences. We want to draw people in, make people think more deeply about the environment and our relationship to it, with the hope of inspiring action to solve some of our world's greatest environmental problems. We're working with partners like Georgetown University's library to bring interdisciplinary experiences to campus and to infuse environment and sustainability thinking into everything we do at Georgetown. You can see the work at our office in the Regents Hall, in Lowinger Library, the Car Barn, and in the ICC. A map of the entire walking tour is available on our website. And keep an eye out for more unique environmental experiences across campus in the future. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy the walk.